really want to know what it's like to live with squirrels? Okay, follow me. It's this way. Hey, all you nut jobs, welcome back to The Ultimate Destruction. Here's a look inside what it's like to live with pet squirrels. We get asked all the time, and obviously the W on my keyboard is missing. It's an important letter. They just use their teeth, go right up underneath the letter, and it's off in 2 seconds. You can't forget their love of phone chargers. It's on a subscription order on Amazon because it happens so frequently. Plastic part of shoelaces don't stand a chance. No. That's right, no boundaries for squirrels. My favorite pair of jeans are so comfy. Destroyed. Chewed the zipper, messed it up. So if you see me walking with my fly down, it just happened 2 seconds ago, destroyed by a squirrel. Next up is the couch. I love a good couch sesh, so let's get into it. Luckily for us, we picked out a couch that has like these little button things, and the squirrels love it. We made such a good choice. And it has embroidery on it, so they love to chew the yarn, fabric, whatever that is, off of the couch. We were smart enough not to buy real leather, so yeah, all these little squirrel teeth puncture holes, and they like to get it out. But then these moments happen. Our squirrels will cuddle up on the couch with us, and I don't know, it just makes all the holes worth it. It's really not even a big deal to me because I get to enjoy moments like this. My motto is buy cheap, replace, and repeat, especially with squirrels. All right, Trio's checking in. Make sure you're still hanging in there with us. And a quick word from our sponsors right here.
It's yours.
Let's head into the living room where above the windows, they climb the curtains up to the curtain rod and chew the wall. I don't know. They love drywall. I don't know, but they do it all the time. And then we have all the corners of the house have been autographed, personalized by Twiggy. Trio doesn't really do that, but yeah, all the squirrels, Twiggy and Trio definitely tag team the table, the chairs. You can see all the material is split apart. Yeah, take a nice good look. All the pulls from the material, yeah, it's all separating, and you know, here's the table again, done by yours truly. With having pet squirrels, you know, we are minimalists. We don't have a lot of stuff in our house, like decor and things like that, and we don't spend a lot of money on our furniture because of these cute faces that get into everything. But let's go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you will find Trio in the sink at any time that he possibly can get to the sink.
No.
One thing about Trio, he is super persistent. He loves a good full sink of dirty dishes. He loves an open trash can in the kitchen. So it's definitely a task to keep him away from all those things. He's just so cute. Wherever I am at, Trio has to be. He has to be helping or being nosy. So dishes, mopping, vacuuming, Trio is there. So while Trio is getting into all the dirty stuff in the kitchen, Twiggy is making her way to the buffet with the dog. At the buffet. Always somebody holding up the line. So that's our house tour. Let us know what you think, what else you want to see. Definitely need to do a tour of the RV in there for you. But thanks for hanging out with us. We appreciate all you nut jobs. We'll see you right here next week.